Move tool is an essential tool of Photoshop. It allows us to move individual layers or entire groups. We have to enable the Show Transform Controls options in the options bar. It will show the transform control handles of your selected layer or group with which you can modify your selection. With the Move tool, we can move, scale, rotate, and skew selections. It also has the Auto Select option, allowing you to select layers and groups. It is also easily switchable through a drop-down menu with options, layers, and groups. You can use arrow keys to move around the selection more precisely. You can easily move layers or groups in a straight line horizontally, vertically, or diagonally by holding the Shift key. It constrains the movement. We can quickly get access to the Move tool by pressing V. We can quickly traverse through multiple options under the Move tool, the Shift key plus corresponding shortcut key. And we can also go through those options by right-clicking it. There are some more new options like Show Layer Bounce on Hover and Show Hover Bounds from Layers. For more content, subscribe.